Guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to be showing you that JustPlay is now available on the iOS store and in the UK. Without further ado, let's jump straight into it. So guys, yes, I may be late to the party, but knowing that JustPlay is now available in the UK is great, because that means I can now earn passively on my Android devices but earn actively on my iPhone. So with this will allow me to potentially hit that £100 per month through earning money online, which would be an amazing feeling. So guys, as you guys can see, I've got 5p in my account at the moment, and this is great that you're actually able to earn through by just playing games. Also, as you guys can see, I was able to cash out 21p. So this is actually very interesting because, as you guys know, I have a couple accounts on my Android device. I was able to verify with the same face and use that on my iOS device. So what I've realized is that you can use the same person to verify. You just probably have to wait a couple months so that they can delete you off the system and then allow you to use the same person again. So yeah, this is great, knowing that I can now earn passively on my Android and actively on my iPhone. I can see that this is going to definitely bring that potential to that £100 every single month, and I cannot wait. But yeah guys, to give you a quick overview of like how that game actually works. So the way that it works is very straightforward. So as you can see on the screen, you have your coins and then you have a goal. So the goal is to be able to reach that goal, because when you hit that goal, that will increase the earnings that you will make. Again, as I said, they don't have a direct correlation of how much you can actually earn, but in my opinion, just as long as you hit that goal before the 3-hour mark, just expect to be earning. Let's be honest and real, and let's go with anywhere from 10p to £1. So if you're making like £1 an hour, I mean £1 every 3 hours, then you could potentially make like £5 a day, which in my opinion is pretty good. So I'd say on the higher end you could earn £5 to £10 a day. On the lower end you could earn 20 to £1. Also, for those who are new, again, if you do decide to automate it, from my experience, you will earn less from automating the game and you will earn more for actively playing. So do keep that in mind, and that's why if you do have 2 spare devices, you could have your main phone, which is an iPhone, and you play actively and you will be making a lot of money, and then you can have your spare Android, which will be playing passively, and that just supplements how much you're earning. And yeah, you could be earning a good 20 to £50 a month if you are smart with it, and if you have a lot of free time and you're willing to just constantly play the game. So yeah, do keep that in mind, and it's definitely worth considering. But yeah guys, I want to give you guys some quick gameplay, because why not? And let's see if we can just get to the 5th stage, because the way that I like to personally play is I like to get to the 5th stage and then I like to restart the app, because of course the app, they do give you ads. So just like a quick tip of how I would play it is, of course, as you can see on the screen, I'll be going through all the levels, and once I get to the boss level, that is when I will change things up, and that's when I will reopen the app, and then I will try again, and then I'll just keep doing that. And then what you guys will see is that my coins will increase, and I will show you guys a screenshot after I've completed this session, and then you guys will see how it works. So yeah, we're gonna just complete this session again. We're gonna hit the boss soon. Okay, nice. Okay, now we've got the boss fight, and then what I will do is I will finish the boss fight, like just waiting. There we go. And then what I would do is they will usually show you an advert. Usually they show you an advert after the boss fight, but they didn't for me this time, which is interesting. And then I would just reopen the app, and then I would just start all over again. It's just a simple process. It's very easy to do, and then yeah, you guys can be earning money every single day. So in my opinion, like if you're able to earn £1 daily, you can't complain, because again, it's just extra income which you're able to use however you please. But yeah, that's the boss level. And then we got a new weapon. Okay, so instead of an advert, we got a new weapon. But yeah, guys, as always, don't forget to like if you enjoyed the video, comment down below any questions, and subscribe if you're new, because we are on the verge of hitting 1,000 subscribers. Peace.